it was a really tight game between you and Farmers.
Lahat to team effort. Lahat. Everything. From technical to small informations, to feedbacks, lahat to. Everything goes to sa training namin, inonood namin, and we made sure that yesterday wasn't the last training. Remember? So lahat yun, ginana namin, mindset, tamang mindset. And especially, I'm very thankful dito sa ladies. They gave all their best today, not just today, meron pa tayo tomorrow or day after, but still, we have to focus on the goal. Yun pa rin. Continue pa rin to work. Tomorrow, the training will be tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, Justine, 21 excellent picks and 10 excellent receptions. Ito sa game na to, crucial din yung mga naging defense mo for Akari. Siguro, ano lang ba yung naging mindset niyo heading into this match and eventually get to this game?
Every ounce of energy and strength talaga i-boost dito sa game na to kasi it's all or nothing. Yun yung naging mindset mo this game.
Thank you. And for Abby, 25 points in this game and Darius into the semifinals. I guess what can you say about how did you work today against Farmers and eventually getting that ticket to the semis?
I think we worked really hard. We did really good defense. We passed well and we served well, so I'm glad that we were like reading their attacks. So I think it was like a really close game, but I'm really happy with how we finished and how we worked.
For Coach and Justin, siguro yung team last year, baliktad yung sitwasyon kayo, yung Akari number 1, number 8, yung Farmers. Ngayon, baliktad. Ano lang siguro yung pinanghawakan ng team para makuha itong panalo na ito, mag-advance sa series kahit number 1 seed yung nakakatapat nyo?
Gusto ko lang din i-comment si Ate Greta din na kumbaga siya yung naging bunot din Coach D. And I think one thing din na nandito kami sa punto na to is yun nga yung lagi nire-remind sa amin na parang nasa tama na kami, bakit bababa pa kami sa ganun. Yun yung lagi ko naaalala, which is galing sa owner namin, ng Akari. Kaya yun yung naging mindset din namin.
I have no idea last time, so, but still, lahat mo ng teams kailangan natin maganda. Even yung teams na akala natin na hindi beatable or kaya natin, or minsan na meron tayong chances na kaya naman pala tapos bigla na tinalo. This time kasi, it's a matter of kung paano tayo mag-prepare for this quarterfinals. I'm not saying na parang anong sabi nila, depende sa gising eh. Parang gano'n yung sinasabi nila. For me, preparation talaga ang pupunan namin at this point. And lahat na pamatter sa amin, even din sa mga body language na during trainings, malaking bagay sa akin to motivate na we have to continue working.
You finished with preliminaries for then when I asked you if kaya tapatan ng finals and rewards last year, sabi mo, mahirap tapatan. Tignan na lang pala gawin. Now reaching the semis, do you like what you're seeing or your body language and confidence of the girls or finals time?
Until we can see the light. Because we're Chargers. But no. Joke lang. Maganda yung motivation ng team today. I mean, the rest of the days. Maganda yung motivation namin. Lahat kami focus doon sa goal natin. And even dun sa connection, I reminded them every time dun sa connection that we have to connect. Even outside and inside the goal. Yung understanding, better understanding. Now, isa na lang, nakikita namin now, isa na lang yung gusto namin mangyari. Which is magandang factor yun for our team. So, meron pa isang game. Tanungin mo ulit ako the next time, okay? Pero this time, semifinals, we will make sure na aabot tayo doon sa goal na sinasabi natin.
And for Annie, we know Ellie, the third one is also explosive. You both of you are tied at 25 points. Can you make any assessment on your advantage this time in order to snatch the win against the good people?
I don't think there was an advantage. Ellie is really strong, and I think that my team helped me play really well. They covered me. They did defense against Ali. She's really strong. She makes a bunch of points. So I don't think there was an advantage. I think we just played really well together, and I'm so proud of us.
Coach, ayun, nabanggit mo po kanina teamwork sa Delhi, magandang nilaro ng team. So, gano'n lang kahalaga na yung Eddie Soyud, yung Gretchen Saltones, yung Kiki Charmin, yung maganda rin yung laro.
Actually, yung target talaga namin every game, which is, I always remind the centers that but yung middles namin double digits. At least, para at least yung mga wings namin caught up yung sa mga numbers na pinaprovide. Pero still, yung strength namin kasi binibigyan namin yun ng medyo detailed yung strength namin yung middles. So, still, medyo, ano din pa rin yun. 9 for PP, set 7, so we have to work pa. Overload pa. And then yung kay Ellie, 10 points not bad for 3 sets, pero still, kailangan pa namin mag-provide ng bigger number for semis, semis na natin. Like sa ating pagkahanda. Thank you.
Coach, speaking of semis, pwede niyo makatapat either Greenlight or Petrogas dito. So, ano lang yung magiging mindset, especially that you guys really want to get into the finals?
Being in the semis, di ba may ticket na sa semis, iba pa rin yung iba pa rin maging gusto. But we have to work, we have to make, parang sa amin, take control of everything that we have. It's a matter of, yun nga, paano natin i-prepare, tamang mindset lang, again, yung guidance, din yung respect to teams, Petrogas and Greenlight, champion team yun. So medyo mabigat na. There's no easy win ngayong round na to. So kailangan namin paghanda.
Thank you, Coach.